Hey there, James McQuiggan, Security Awareness Advocate here at KnowBe4. With the holiday season rapidly approaching, there's going to be those tough to find Christmas gifts that we want to get our hands on. And scammers know this as well, and they're going to be out creating fake websites with the hope that you would click on their link by finding it through a Google search, or they'll be sending out phishing emails where they want you to visit their site in the hopes that you might buy from them this hard to find item. They'll want to get you to enter in your name, your address, your email address, credit card information in the hopes that you'll click on that buy now button and they will be able to just scam you out of money and everything else. So some things to think about with regards to your holiday purchases this year, doing it online. Make sure you use a reputable retailer that's online, one that's got a lot of reviews, one that's been around. If it is a new website that you've never been to before, a new business, make sure you check out the business, see if there's reviews out there. That way you can verify that it's a legitimate site. Make sure to use a credit card when you're doing online purchases. That way, if it turns out to be a fraudulent site or you need to get a refund, you can do that through the credit card company. Also, make sure that you keep monitoring your credit cards through the holiday season and the rest of the year. Make sure to get a confirmation email from the online retailer and also a tracking number so that you can monitor the package being delivered to you so that you're able to share that with a loved one during the holiday season. So, seeing as it's the holiday time, I figured I would give you a holiday dad joke. So, what is the best present that you can get somebody? A broken drum, because you just can't beat it.